Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Crafty. This is Devyani. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be plan with me bullet journal setup for the month of August. I am really excited for today's video. The theme that I chose for this month is watermelon because I love watermelons and I really wanted the theme for this month to be colorful. So yeah, I chose the watermelon theme and I really loved how this bullet journal setup has turned out for this month. And yeah, if you want to know more about my bullet journal, then please keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Give this video a fat thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on all my social media. The links are down in the description box as usual. And without any further ado, let's get started. So starting with the quote for this month, I wrote, "Don't let the seed stop you from enjoying the watermelon," and I drew a big watermelon over here. And for my monthly name page, I wrote August here and drew slices of watermelon all around it, and I really love how it turned out. For my habit tracker, I added one more thing, that is wake up at 5 a.m. because I'm trying to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. So that's what I added over here. Basically everything is the same as my usual habit tracker. And I have my sleep tracker over here and it is in the form of a graph, and I have just made sure that it is in a gradient of the watermelon colors, and I have watermelons all around it. Next, I have my monthly goals, important days, current favorites and video ideas spread over here along with my social media trackers. And next I have my mood tracker. This is a big slice of watermelon that I'll be coloring with my different moods, and all are in the shades of red and pink. Next I have my first weekly spread. This is the usual 4 days on a page spread, and here I have my weekly goals. I've colored them with the theme colors for this month, and I've made these 2 spaces to write my to-do list or anything that comes to my mind. And basically that's how all the spreads for this month work. And yeah, that's it. I hope you really liked it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you have any video requests as well. And yes, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.